Hi! Today we will learn the phrase back away from something. It means to move backward or to stop being part of something. You can use it when you want to describe moving away physically. For example, if a dog looks scary, you might back away from it. You can also use it when you decide not to continue with the plan or promise, like when a company backs away from a deal. Remember, back away always goes with from and then the thing you move away from. For example, she backed away from the loud noise, or they backed away from the agreement. It's an inseparable phrasal verb, so don't separate back away and from. You can use it in many situations, both physical and metaphorical. It helps you sound natural in English conversations. Try to use it when you want to explain hesitation or withdrawal. Also, don't confuse it with step back, which is more about thinking carefully. Practice with sentences like, he backed away from the problem. Now try making your own sentences with back away from something. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. See you next time.